Founded in Chicago and now headquartered in Gilbert, Arizona, TOMAR Electronics is a pioneering, family-owned and operated business, providing signaling, illumination, and right-of-way enhancing products in the industrial and emergency industries. From in-house product development to industry-leading delivery times, TOMAR continues to push the limits with its expertise, innovation, and TOMAR patented technology, all the while preserving high-quality execution, clearing the way for the safety of our government and private communities. TOMAR is committed to protecting people, property, and budgets through solutions that clear the way for safer, more sustainable environments. Operating out of our ENERGY STAR certified manufacturing plant, we utilize clean energy and our long-standing community workforce, clearing the way for the next generation. The TOMAR staff, partners, and family are humbled to celebrate more than 50 years of life-saving technology and service. TOMAR stands behind our products, just like we stand behind you. TOMAR, clearing the way.